You get the idea, and it's also great if you're a scratcher and a beat juggler and you just want to have a cleaner start to the song you're scratching. So I can beat juggle this song on that chorus without the drums and the instruments.
Welcome to the new video here on our Elevator YouTube channel. Today we're talking in English because we talk about the new version of Algoriddim DJ Pro. Therefore, I have a guest, DJ Angelo. Hi, Angelo.
Hey.
First of all, you can tell to our viewers, what are you doing, who are you, and why are you the perfect person to ask some stuff about the new version of Algoriddim DJ Pro.
No problem. So yeah, I do many things. I'm an international DJ. I'm a world DJ champion. A lot of people know me from my YouTube videos and my routines. I'm also a well-known DJ tutor. I've also been working with Reloop, developing gear with them for many years, such as the Ready and the Elite. And recently I became the head of brand to handle the creative direction of Algoriddim and their software DJ.
Really cool. Many of our customers will actually ask what Algoriddim DJ actually is and what it sets apart from other DJ softwares like Serato DJ Pro or Rekordbox. Can you explain to us briefly what this software is actually about?
Sure. So at Algoriddim, we're very focused on innovation and inventing new things to help DJs be more creative. And our software is the most powerful and the most versatile. And that's because it runs on MacBook as well as on mobile devices such as your iPhone or iPad. It runs on Windows, it runs on Android, and we just recently launched on the Apple Vision Pro, so we're stepping into the virtual and mixed reality world as well.
Very cool. And in the new version, there are some new key features. Which are the features we will be discussing today?
So we recently updated our software to version 5 last year, and we added 3 very powerful new features that I'm going to talk about today. And we use a lot of AI to enhance DJ performances and yeah, do some new things that weren't possible before.
Cool. And what are these features? So you talked about 3 new features.
So yeah, 3 years ago, or maybe 4 years ago now, we launched Neural Mix, which is our stem separation technology. We were the first to do that in the DJ space. So we've updated that to today's standards, and we've also brought a new feature called Fluid Beat Grid, which allows DJs to mix and easily play songs that have varying tempos in the mix with other songs that may have electronic straight tempos. So no more tedious beat gridding of those kinds of songs played by live drummers or bands. And the other feature is Crossfader Fusion, which is a new feature that we've added to the Crossfader, which has done the same thing since the beginning of DJing. So now we've added automated transitions to the Crossfader as well.
So let's start with the first new feature, or the improved feature. Neural Mix is the second version of Neural Mix, if yes, I got that right. So what is new about it, and how do DJs use that? So coming to the first feature, Neural Mix, can you explain what Neural Mix is and what did you improve by that?
Okay, so as I mentioned, we were the first to bring stems into the DJ space, and we wanted to update it and make sure it's up to today's standards. So we teamed up with another company called AudioShake, who are known as the best in the business for audio clarity for stems, and the movie industry use them, the music industry use them, and we have them in our app for every DJ to use now.
Cool. Maybe you can show us something about it.
Sure. Okay. So first of all, Neural Mix can be used in a few different ways. You can operate it via the pads of your hardware. You can even map your EQs to control the Neural Mix stems via the high, mid, and low EQs. So first of all, I'll show you the pad mode, and you can get into Neural Mix pad mode by tapping on sampler twice on the Mix on 8. And here we have the top row, which is for soloing the different stems, drums, instruments, and vocals, and the bottom row is for muting those stems.
about your so have to play.
And I can also control them via my EQs, which I've mapped by toggling my regular EQs. And on top of that, you can also operate Neuromix by the user interface, as I'm using my iPhone with the touchscreen capabilities.
Hey, hey, it's murder on the dance floor, but you better not.
So
Really
lots of different
cool.
ways.
Yeah, and what we hear is that the sound quality is really crazy good. Yeah, in the new version is
Crystal
really
clear.
Yeah, very, very nice. There is another feature on the new version of Algorithm DJ. It's called Crossfader Fusion. And we all know the Crossfader, but the Crossfader Fusion is a whole new AI-based feature. Maybe you can explain what it is and what it does.
Yeah, absolutely. So, you know, we all know what the Crossfader does. It's been that way since DJing began. It fades from one song to the other, or you can use it for scratching. But now you can also add effects and automated transitions to just this one control. So to access Crossfader Fusion, you would tap on this small Crossfader icon, and here you have a list of different transition styles. So I'm going to pick something that I think suits electronic music. So maybe I'll go with vocal sustain, which will keep the vocal and start to isolate the vocal of the track going out as I mix the new one coming in. And I'm going to turn on my Crossfader Fusion with this small toggle button. So let's give this a go.
We're jamming, and we're jamming in the name of the Lord. We're jamming, we're jamming right straight from Lord.
Cool. Okay, so super smooth, and there was a lot of things happening there. The vocal was getting isolated, there was some effects being added, and the tempos are matched. So all of that was done with just one control of the Crossfader.
Now you used 2 tracks of quite the same genre. And would you say it's suitable for only this electronic genre, or not only for certain DJs and genres?
It can work with any genre. Cool. And I'm going to show you another demonstration of how you can go from different genres quite smoothly as well, and nice. Genres with different tempos. So let's try an example with hip hop going into dance music. So, all right, so we have Usher, and I'm going to try to mix Fisher into Usher. So we have this extra feature in the Crossfader Fusion menu called Tempo Blend. So if I activate this, I'm now able to smoothly mix and tempo ramp during the transition, so that the tempo will be morphed into the new tempo automatically during the transition. So.
Take that and rewind it back. Lil Jon got the beat to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Usher got the voice to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Ludacris got the flow to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Lil Jon got the beat to make your booty go.
Cool. Super smooth, right?
Very nice. Yeah, and so practical for every DJ. Is really, really cool, so that you can choose 2 totally different genres and morph them in the mixing.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Really cool.
Yeah, if you're a DJ that plays lots of different tempos, lots of different genres, that's going to really make life easier.
So there is another problem DJs know for a long time, and this is like different BPMs in one track, or unforeseen breakdowns, so that there is not a consistent tempo. And with the newest version, you can solve this problem or have a solution for that. How is this solution?
Yeah, so we have a feature called Fluid Beat Grid, and it's exactly for that purpose. So if you're a DJ that plays songs perhaps by bands with a human drummer, the tempo is never going to be exactly like it is with electronic music. And also there's songs that just naturally change tempo in the same track. Drake and Travis Scott, Sicko Mode is an example.
Yeah.
And normally you would have to manually beat grid that song in your software, which can take a lot of time and it's a horrible process. Now you don't have to do any of that because the software, DJ will automatically scan the track as soon as you load it and calculate where all the beats are very intelligently, and it will also show you the tempo value as it's changing. And if now that means you're able to save time on beat gridding, and also you're able to sync songs with varying tempos with songs that have a straight tempo. So you can mix disco into tech house, for example.
Cool. Yeah.
So let's show you an example of that. So, classic song from ABBA, which is making a resurgence right now, and I'm going to mix it into something that I know has a straight tempo. So, if I give you, if I play ABBA right now, you'll see that the tempo fluctuates during this intro. Okay. So the tempo is changing because this is played by a band. There's a human being playing this, or a few human beings playing. So I'm able to now mix this into Bruno Mars, which has a fixed tempo of 115 BPM. So let's see how that works. Cool. So as you saw, DJ was able to hold the tempo of the ABBA song coming in over Bruno Mars to keep it synced, even though the tempo fluctuates in the original song.
Yeah, the feature delivers its promise. Yeah,
that's right.
Cool. To end this video, I would like to ask you, what is your favorite feature about the newest version of Algoriddim DJ? What do you like most about it?
Can I give you two?
Of course.
Okay, so one of my favorite features in DJ right now is a Crossfader Fusion transition called Vocal Cut. And this is one that I helped design with the team. So I've selected it here. It incorporates Neuromix, and I'm going to turn it on here. So the idea behind the Vocal Cut transition is that the track that you bring in using the Crossfader isolates the vocals at the very start, and then as you move the Crossfader, it brings in the rest of the song. So if I play this song without Crossfader Fusion on, that's the full song. Drums are there, instruments are there. But if I play the song and open the Crossfader gradually, so what that means is that I can basically have an a cappella intro of that song on the fly and mix it into the outro of another song. So let's give that a go.
Take that and rewind it back. Lil Jon got the beat to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Usher got the voice to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Ludacris got the flow to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Lil Jon got the beat to make your booty go. Bring it back, 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 bring it back. The following is not a test, DJ. Tráemelo para atrás, 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 tráemelo para atrás. The following is not a test, DJ. I see the way you move and I picture you nude.
Yeah, really cool. It's impressive to see that.
You get the idea, and it's also great if you're a scratcher and a beat juggler and you just want to have a cleaner start to the song you're scratching. So I can beat juggle this song on that chorus without the drums and the instruments.
cool that to have that really nice clean scratch. Yeah, just from this feature. Yeah,
absolutely. And yeah, that would be impossible to do with two hands. Otherwise, you'd have to activate NeuroMix, isolate stems, and operate the crossfader and the platter at the same time. So it gives DJs a lot more options. And my other favorite feature is our new integration with Apple Music. It's the first in the DJ space. It's, you know, Apple Music is a huge platform. They have a huge library, 100 million songs. And the best thing about that for me is that I'm trying to move away from using my laptop for DJing because the iOS version runs just as well as the Mac version. It's just as stable and has all the same features. But there's never been an easy way to get my library onto my phone. Airdropping is one way, but you know, I have a huge library, and the great thing with Apple Music is that you get the cloud included with your subscription. So now I have my whole library in the cloud, and I just log into Apple Music on my phone, and it's all there. All my cue points, my metadata, all my crates. So that's been the biggest game changer for me.
Yeah, we talked about that before making this video. It is really practical that you can do that right now, and it helps so many DJs to have the possibility to make your playlist on your phone while
on the go.
On the fly. And then you can use this playlist for DJing. It's really cool. So thank you so much, Angelo. It was a pleasure to have you here to see all these new features, and was really impressive to see your DJ style combined with these new features. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I hope you liked this video about the new version of Algoriddim DJ Pro, and I hope I see you again in 2 weeks. Bye.